Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Maria Monica Situbig and nice to meet you. So today, Mama's birthday today, and we're going to having a birthday shopping at Festival Malls. Check this out, thank you. Okay guys, unahin muna natin paghanda, pagse-celebrate namin si Mama po. Bago ako, ngayon ang birthday ng Mama ko. Tsaka po guys, today is my sister Isabel's Met Gala at Bellevue Hotel. Okay guys, andito kami sa van ni Tito Arvin, nakabisang Barbie costume tsaka
Candlelight. I'm ready for prom.
she's a princess.
And she's Barbie.
Yes. Okay guys, nag-decorate na si Ate Rosen ng happy birthday. May mga magandang decoration. Yes. Okay guys, tapos na mag-decorate ng happy birthday si Ate Rosen. Nakalagay dyan, happy birthday names. Kasama yung mga character design birthday decoration. Guys, andito ako sa warehouse. Ito alaga ko. Si Robin. Hi Robin! Okay guys, this is Robin, the chocolate American bully. Say hello to Robin. Hello Robin! Hi Robin! Good morning! Say greet me happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Monica!
Hi guys, I have a visitor. Bea. Hi. Hi. Hoy. 6 Guys, andito kami sa roof deck. Bea. Hi. Tingnan mo po mamaya yung view. Dito sa roof deck. Dito sa Kai Garden. Bea, magandang view. This is Kent. Kent! Hi! Guys, today is lunch time. Ito, nag-order na ako ng Tokyo 6 pieces chicken karage. May kasamang gulay at kanin. Kain po tayo. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And happy birthday to me guys!